1,000 insurance claims worth $700 million have been made since the fire season started in September. But as the fires still burn, that number is set to climb rapidly. For many people, being underinsured or not insured at all means they may never be able to rebuild. Rachel Papazzoni reports.
Terry Gann was on the verge of completing the dream home he'd spent a decade building in northern New South Wales when a bushfire tore through in November and destroyed it.
Being so close is the hard thing.
He was not insured.
I had about a month to go to finish it, and I could have got my certificate of occupancy, which would have meant that I could have got my insurance on the place.
He's now working out how to build a new home. More than 2,000 properties have been destroyed by fire since September. 4 in 5 property owners believe they are underinsured, while others, like Terry, don't have any insurance. For those who do, they've submitted almost 9,000 insurance claims worth $700 million. Insurers met the Treasurer in Canberra today to assure him they're working quickly to process them all.
Having builders ready on hand to be able to go in and start the rebuild quickly, being able to access assessors from around the world if necessary to be able to get people on the ground quickly to do the assessments.
About 10% of the thousands of claims nationally have been settled.
We'll be working with the state governments and Andrew Colvin and his recovery agency to ensure that all the necessary and possible support is given to those communities that need it most.
The banks, which suffered a hit to their reputations in the wake of the Hayne Royal Commission, are also adding their support for bushfire-affected communities. In some cases, deferring loan payments, suspending interest charges and waiving fees. But for people like Terry, who's applying for financial assistance, the big question remains, how long will it take to pick up the pieces? Rachel Papazzoni, ABC News.